In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Affinity Photo. We'll keep things simple and clear so you can resize confidently without losing quality. First, open Affinity Photo and load the image you want to resize. Make sure the layer you want to change is selected. There are two practical ways to handle resizing, depending on whether you need a quick visual adjustment or exact dimensions. For a quick change, use the Move tool. With your image layer active, drag the corner handles to scale. Hold Shift to keep the proportions locked so nothing looks stretched, and watch the on-screen readouts to see the new size as you drag. This approach is great for fitting graphics inside a layout, and you can fine-tune the exact numbers in the transform panel if needed. For precise control, go to the top menu and choose Document. In that menu, you'll see both Document Setup and Resize Document. Hover to find Resize Document, then select it to open the resizing window. Here you can enter an exact width and height, choose your preferred units like pixels, inches, or centimeters, and set the DPI for print or web use. Remember, pixel dimensions determine how big the image is on screen, while DPI matters when you're targeting a physical print size. If you want Affinity Photo to actually add or remove pixels to reach your target, enable Resample. Keeping the aspect ratio link turned on prevents distortion. For scaling down, a method like Lanczos can preserve crisp detail. For gentle enlargements, bicubic is a balanced choice. When you've set the numbers and method you want, click Resize to apply the changes. After resizing, view the image at 100% zoom to judge sharpness accurately. Lower zoom levels can hide softness, while 100% shows true pixel detail, helping you confirm the result.